Hey folks, Tony Jones here from Rebel Financial. Thank you for tuning in again today. So today I have a little bit different of a message, and it's really about some changes that you'll see on the format here going forward. Recently, probably for the last 6 months, a bulk, if not all, the videos have been coming from me. We really want to put out great content, and that requires time, research and things like that, and just trying to figure out, and responding to what the needs are of people on YouTube as well as our own clients. So if you were to go back and look at our old videos, you would see other people on those as well. So real quick, I'm going to introduce a couple of those people who are going to be helping me, just so when you see them, you're not surprised. So number one is Phil, our founder, Phil Ratcliffe, founder and president of the company. He is the one that, started making videos, and then he and I made some together. And then basically since earlier this year, it's been mainly me. But Phil is going to start adding some more content as well. So you'll see him. Also, you'll see AC. He's a financial coach. Here at Rebel, we want people to really gain experience, but also to be part of the Certified Financial Planning Association. But to do that as an advisor, which really gives a lot of credence to your experience in training, you have to pass a rigorous course selection as well as the test. So we expect that AC will be doing that sometime in the coming months, and then he'll be a CFP. But in the meantime, he still has very good knowledge about being a financial advisor and a financial coach. So he will be putting out some content for that as well. You also may see Jonathan at some point put out some videos. He's closing in on his CFP accreditation as well. Not quite there yet. He has to pass a test, so he'll be doing that sometime in the near future as well. You also see John and Jared in here. John is our payroll planner, so behind the scenes, he helps a lot with the content and helping with planning and such. And Jared is our intern at this time, so he helps with those same things. Just not anywhere near the detail that John does, because John does a great deal and a great job behind the scenes. Anyway, that's all. I just wanted to give people a little heads up. When they see different faces, they'll know who it is. So thank you again for tuning in. Until next time, take care.